Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the XRP Super token. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. Ticker symbol is Xsuper, and this token is live for pre-sale right now. I'm going to put a link at the top of the description box. I'm also going to pin it to the top of the comment section so you guys can easily go right to the pre-sale to go check this token out. Now, a lot of people are aping in on this pre-sale already. They've already sold a decent amount of tokens. And yeah, we're going to talk about this token. It still has 37 days left of this pre-sale. So you got a lot of time to go check this pre-sale out before it ends. They have a full white paper. They have a lot of cool stuff. So yeah, check out the links down below. But we're going to talk about this token, this pre-sale, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box for the best crypto apps, so go check those out as well. Now, so the link will be down below for this pre-sale. I'm also going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here as usual. It is at XRP_Super on X. They also have a Telegram. They have a web page, and you can find all these listed in the pre-sale link that'll be at the top of the description box down there. Now, this token is on the Solana blockchain, like I said earlier. So if you're interested in getting this pre-sale here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So popular ones are Phantom Wallet or Soulflare Wallet. You could download either one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You can also use a MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, etc. And yeah, you would download a wallet. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You'd go right through the link that's at the top of the description box or pinned to the top of the comment section. You would connect your wallet to the page. Now, this is on solsale.app. Also, Gempad is partners with SolSale. So you go to the link down below, connect your wallet, you punch in how much Sol you want to spend, you click purchase. Maximum buy is 10 Sol. So there's no minimum buy limit, but max buy is 10 Sol. You can't spend more than 10 Sol, and that's to disincentivize whales from buying too many tokens and creating a pump and dump later on. So that's good that they have a max buy limit. So you punch in how much Sol you want to spend. It'll tell you how many XRP Super tokens you get for that amount. Click purchase. When the pre-sale is over, you claim your tokens. Pretty straightforward there. So yeah, they have a countdown on there that's going to tell you when the pre-sale does end. So you could just follow that. It tells you how many contributors have contributed so far, how much Sol. So basically, there's no like hard cap for this pre-sale either. So basically, time's just gonna go until the time runs out, and then the pre-sale will be over. So you don't have to worry about like the pre-sale being over by the time you see this video. It'll still be going. So XRP Super has a limited supply of 21 million tokens built for massive growth on Solana. Now, XRP Super is designed to scale faster with only 21 million total supply, unleashing its full potential on the Solana network. We believe in transparency, decentralization, long-term profitability for all those early adopters. It says liquidity fully burned, ensuring a powerful deflationary model that potentially increases value over time. Development focus, strategic marketing for wide exposure. There will be central exchange listings in the future, along with decentralized exchange listings in the future as well after the pre-sale is over to expand access for this token. Staking for passive Sol rewards. So you will be able to stake your XRP Super tokens in the future to acquire rewards. So that's a cool feature. And also there will be exclusive NFTs with also the NFTs will have added utility as well. So it's not just like a meme token. First of all, it's got a good, like a trendy name, XRP. You know, a lot of people are interested in XRP after Trump got in office. And along with that, Solana blockchain is very popular. So we have both those things creating potential trends for this token. And then there's also utility, central exchange listing. So you'll be able to stake your tokens. There's NFTs with utility. It says no team control, fully decentralized. Join the revolution today. Now they have here on their webpage, so you can go to their webpage linked on the pre-sale link down below. It'll take you over to XRP-Super.com. And over there they have tons of links. So they have a DEX screener, DEX tools, and Gecko terminal link ready. Now they're not available yet, but that will be live when the pre-sale is over and this token goes over to DEXs. Most likely it'll go over to Raydium. Let's see if it says that. Yeah, listing DEX will be Raydium. So there's other DEXs as well, like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, PumpSwap, etc. But the one they have listed on here is Raydium, and it could potentially go over to other DEXs as well, along with the central exchange listings planned in the future as well. So you will be able to see the chart on Gecko Terminal, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, linked on their webpage. Also, Bird Eye is another place. And then they also have a Raydium link on their page too for when the pre-sale is over. They also have a white paper on their webpage that you could read. And they also have links to download a wallet, Soulflare wallet or Phantom wallet from their webpage as well if you don't have one of those wallets. Or you could just look in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store like I mentioned earlier. If you want to follow the Telegram, it is at XRP_Super. 63 subscribers so far. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, all that type of stuff, along with the Twitter. And you can see they're just starting out here. Just joined April 2025, brand new project, 61 followers. And like I said, still a lot of time for this pre-sale to go, like 30-something days left. Has a link to the Telegram on the Twitter there. So yeah, you can follow the Telegram, follow the Twitter. There's going to be all sorts of cool updates regarding this project, regarding the pre-sale. So if you ape in on this pre-sale, you'll be able to stay tuned and see what's going on with the token and the pre-sale following the socials. Now it says no inflation, no token tax. So when it does go to Raydium, you won't have to worry about setting slippage. It says no liquidity control, fair and limited tokenomics. And then on the white paper, they have a little bit more information as well. It says inspired by Satoshi Nakamoto's vision. That's why they have the total supply of 21 million tokens to promote scarcity, long-term value, and efficient blockchain performance. And their vision is to become the ultimate utility and staking token on the Solana blockchain, combined with Satoshi's principle with next generation blockchain speed and performance. And they want to improve blockchain scalability while maintaining decentralization. To build a fixed supply economy that encourages long-term holding. It's going to be secure, transparent, and audited smart contract infrastructure, fast, reliable environment for token transfers, listing, and market growth. So pretty cool. Go check this token out. It's split up like this. 68% goes to pre-sale. We got 22.03% going to liquidity, 8% team, and 1.97% reserved and locked. And yeah, so there's going to be utility. There's a roadmap also when the listings and stakings and all sorts of features will be coming out. So check out the full white paper for that. But as of now, go check out the pre-sale. Links will be down below. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about XRP Super? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you also check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos. I just changed the name of this channel to Crypto Videos. And I will be starting the video and not saying this is stock investor, aka crypto investor anymore. So if you've been following this channel for a long time, that's what I've been saying every day. And I stopped doing stock videos a long time ago. So I don't know why this channel was called Stock Investor for so long, but now finally the name is changed to Crypto Videos with a Z. So I did forget to actually say crypto videos at the beginning of this video, but in the future, you will hear that instead of stock investor. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.